Prepare to explore the delightful universe of cultivating powerful medicinal herbs in the cozy corners of your home. Imagine this, a charming mini garden that not only sprinkles an aesthetic green hue around your space but also serves as your very own holistic pharmacy. Today we're going to introduce you to 6 remarkable herbs with a unique set of benefits for your health and well-being. Let's get started on your indoor herb garden adventure. Dive into the world of our robust herb basil. This radiant fellow is a daylight devotee, demanding a good 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every single day. Basil favors its roots, akin to its feet, to be slightly moist, but never waterlogged. Hence, you water it just when the topmost inch of its soil begins to dry. This warm weather aficionado flourishes in temperatures ranging from 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Basil's preferred habitat is well-draining soil, with a pH balance slightly leaning towards acidic or neutral. A regular trim, or pruning, along with plucking off the tips and leaves, will encourage denser growth. Fear not, nurturing basil isn't complicated. With a generous dose of your affection and the correct care, your basil plant is bound to thrive indoors. Basil is packed with compounds possessing anti-inflammatory properties. The herb is a powerhouse of antioxidants that work to safeguard cells from harm. Scientific studies have hinted that basil may exhibit adaptogenic properties, aiding the body in coping with stress. Next on our list is the invigorating mint. This versatile herb is a fan of a little bit of shade, loving up to 4 to 6 hours of light each day. Mint is like duck to water in slightly moist conditions, so keep the soil a bit wet. No need for a strict thermostat. Mint is happy in a wide array of temperatures, ideally between a cool 65 and a warm 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to soil that drains well, and think about using pots or hanging baskets for a space-saving solution. Encourage thicker growth by pinching back the tips, and every 2 to 3 years, separate the plant to prevent overcrowding. Fear not, mint is a robust herb, it's the ideal choice for indoor gardens. You're going to love it. Peppermint, a type of mint, is known for its potential to relieve indigestion and soothe an upset stomach. The aroma of peppermint has been linked to headache relief in some studies. Mint has been studied for its potential antimicrobial effects. Let's meet our third herb superstar, the robust oregano. Imagine it just like a sun-loving friend who enjoys soaking up in the sunlight for at least 6 hours And guess what? It's a bit of a desert plant, liking its soil to dry out between waterings. It revels in warm temperatures, ideally between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, just like a perfect summer day. When it comes to its home, it prefers well-draining soil with a slight pinch of to keep it in shape. Regular trims are needed, which also encourage compact growth. And for the best flavor, just remember to harvest leaves before it begins to flower. Enrich your indoor garden and dishes with the versatile oregano. It's a cinch to grow, and it'll surely add a magical touch to your mealtime. Oregano contains compounds that exhibit antibacterial and antifungal activities. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that oregano may have anti-inflammatory properties. OMI studies suggest that oregano may have anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano is high in antioxidants that may contribute to overall health. In 5th position is the magnificent thyme. This delightful herb is a sun lover, craving a good 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. And guess what? Time to dry out a bit between waterings and enjoys hanging out in moderate temperatures, say around 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Give it a well-draining soil with a touch of alkaline pH and you've got it smiling. Oh, and don't forget to give it a little trim now and then to keep it looking perfect. But hey, don't get too scissor-happy. Harvesting more than a third of it at a time is a no-no. Trust us, thyme is a splendid addition to your indoor garden, offering you both flavor-packed culinary benefits and powerful medicinal perks. So, why wait? Get your thyme on. Thyme has been traditionally used to support respiratory health, and it may have antimicrobial effects. Thyme is rich in antioxidants that may help combat oxidative stress. Thyme has been used as a natural cough suppressant in some traditional remedies. Next up on our list is the ever-charming rosemary. Now, this fragrant herb originally hails from the sunny Mediterranean, and it's an absolute joy to have in your indoor garden. Rosemary loves basking in full sunlight, so it really enjoys getting a good 6 hours of direct light every day. But don't worry if you can't provide natural light. A simple grow light can do the trick too. Rosemary likes to stay slightly on the dry side, so remember, no overwatering. Let the soil dry out between each watering. Too much water could cause root rot, which isn't something we want for our indoor rosemary. As for temperature, rosemary is a fan of warm and cozy conditions. A sweet spot between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit is just perfect. And when it comes to soil, remember to go for something well-draining with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Regular trimming will keep your rosemary looking neat and promote healthy growth. Don't hesitate to pick a few sprigs and leaves for cooking. After all, that's what it's there for. To sum it up, rosemary is a delightful buddy for your indoor herb garden and a fantastic partner in your culinary journey. Rosemary has been associated with improved cognitive function and memory in some studies. Compounds in rosemary may have anti-inflammatory properties. Rosemary has shown some antimicrobial activity against certain pathogens. And here we are at the grand finale, the majestic lavender the stage. This evergreen star isn't just known for its alluring fragrance, but also it's a champ in the worlds of medicine and cuisine. Growing lavender indoors? Simple. Just give it a good dose of sunlight around 6 to 8 hours daily. When it comes to hydration, let the soil breathe a bit, dry out before the next watering. Lavender loves a holiday in the sun, so think Mediterranean. It prefers a not-so-wet environment. Temperature-wise, 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 27 degrees Celsius is its comfort zone. For soil, use one that drains well, leans towards being slightly alkaline. This will make our friend lavender feel right at home. Important tip: pruning is crucial. After the flowers bloom, give it a little trim. It not only promotes more growth, but also ensures your plant stays sprightly and full of life. Harvest those beautiful flowers for your potpourri or cooking experiments and let that calming aroma fill your home. Lavender, with its soothing fragrance and stunning flowers, lavender is well known for its calming effects and is often used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and anxiety. The aroma of lavender may promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Lavender contains compounds with potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Is the spectacular finale your indoor herb garden deserves? So why wait? Bring some lavender magic into your home today. These herbs aren't just flavor boosters for your meals, but they also carry an array of health benefits. Begin your indoor herb culture journey. Thanks for watching. Join our community for more videos.